You will be happy that you were able to click this button to see this video, because this video will determine the outcome of your next video. If you have been having low views and you have been thinking that it's your subscribers that is making you to have that low view, I want to let you know that YouTube algorithm is not designed like that. That even if you have little subscriber, you can do a video that will give you that 4K watch hour. It's as simple as that. If you are meeting me for the first time, you are talking with Tubemetrixx, and this is the channel you have been waiting for.
Tubemetrixx. Decoding the algorithm, dominating the game.
Here we talk about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to monetize your YouTube channel, how to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4K watch hour, tips on how to make your video go viral. So without further ado, let's enter to the main content of today. So many people think that it is 1K subscribers, 100K subscribers, 20K subscribers that make them have a lot of view. But I have seen channels with 200K subscribers, right, that are having low views. Not because they don't understand the algorithm, but because they have not been able to maybe know the recent update on YouTube concerning how they push video out, right? So it is not about the subscribers that you have. It's just about the amount of viewers that you are able to attract into your channels. And I'm going to be teaching you 4 secrets that will help your channel have a lot of viewers. Understand that YouTube is not about subscribers, but about viewers. So every time you are making any content, you should be having viewers in mind, not subscribers. When you have enough viewers, some of the viewers will become your subscribers. So these are the 4 tips you will need to be able to have good number of viewers in your channel. So number 1 is to create good thumbnails. So when people talk about good thumbnails, they think that a good thumbnail is just a thumbnail that looks beautiful, has a lot of colors, but that's not it. These are the 3 things that define a good thumbnail, right? So your thumbnail has to have good colors, attractive color, not dull color. You wouldn't want to be putting some color that is not popping up on your thumbnails, right? Number 2 is your thumbnail has to spark curiosity. Let there be a little question that is asking in the heart of your viewers, and a little answer that is answering in the heart of your viewers. Are you getting me? The meaning of what I'm just saying is that before your viewers get to your video, they have a question in their heart that they are asking YouTube, and it is from this question that they search. So when you have a good thumbnail, YouTube can be able to recommend your video to the question they are asking. So let your thumbnail have a good answer to the question of your viewers, and then YouTube will begin to suggest your content to them. Then number 3, avoid clickbait. Clickbait is going to be good to put audience to your videos. It will reduce retention rates. So what is retention rate? If you, for example, want to talk about how to make money online, and you put a very good thumbnails, probably that have to do with something attractive, something people like, but it's not having the same content or context like how to make money online. And peradventure, because somebody is looking for that particular content you put on your thumbnail, he decides to click on that video because of what you put on your thumbnail. You will notice that immediately he entered the video and he noticed that what you are talking about is not the same content in your thumbnail. He will go away from it, and it spoils the whole user behavior of that video. So what am I saying? You have to avoid clickbait at all costs. What is clickbait? Clickbait is actually this thing that you use to hook your audience or to pull your audience into something. It's a bait. It's a bait for clicks. I think that's the best word I can say. It's a bait for click. You set a bait through words so that your viewers can click. So that's what it is. So if you want your thumbnails to be good, you have to reduce clickbait. That's this thing. Number two is that you have to create quality content. Quality content. Quality content is a collection of good niche. It's a collection of good information, rare information, understandable information, and then number three, packaging of your video. Those are the three quality of a good content. So your content have to have the right niche that is going viral. Many people don't even understand this. If you are doing YouTube, you are going to do YouTube as a businessman. You are not doing YouTube as somebody who just want to showcase his passion. If you don't want money from YouTube, you can as well do that. But you have to look for the right niche. You don't live your dreams on YouTube. If you want to start YouTube, you have to look for the right viral niche, the one people are looking for. It's just like you have you have a boutique, you have a clothing shop, and you notice that this particular fashion style is the one that is selling for now. And you say because you don't like this fashion style, you decide to buy the one that is not selling so that you can be able to leave your feelings in your shop. You will notice that you will be having less buyers, right? It is because you are not following the trend. You have to follow a trendy niche. You have to follow a trendy video. Don't just post videos anyhow. And with this, I think I can recommend vidIQ and TubeBuddy for you because they can help you gather up ideas in which you can make content, right? So, number three is just captured in one word called understanding. When I started YouTube for the first time, I didn't understand this until I began to see myself that I could see a channel who have 100 subscribers and they were having videos that are going viral. Some of the videos will be having like 15K views. And I'll say, is it that all the 100 subscribers are watching a number of times? Then you have to understand YouTube in order to excel on YouTube. That somebody with 10 subscribers can have a video that have 20K views. YouTube is designed like that. YouTube does not really care about your subscribers. They don't care about your subscribers. YouTube care about the content you are making. If you understand this, you are going to be focusing more on getting viewers than subscribers. YouTube is not at all about how many subscribers. Subscribers are important. Yes, they are like your um, audience that are always coming back, engaging. They are like your structure of keeping fit on YouTube, right? But if you are a new content creator, one of the least things you should worry about is subscribers. The reason is because you can get subscribers from anywhere, including this comment section now. Okay, let's make an assignment as I used to do before. Just in the comment section, I want you to type "let's go." And then as you type "let's go," other people are going to be engaging on your content and you are going to be visiting each other's page. And this is just the three rules of engagement. Number one is that you visit the person's page, you watch one of his video, and you comment on one of his video, you like one of his video, and you subscribe. Those are just subscribers. You can do it anywhere. You can get it anywhere. Especially if you are doing the same niche like me. You will notice that the people who watch my video will likely watch your video because they will be interested in the same thing that you are doing because we are doing the same niche. So what am I saying? You have to forget subscribers and start creating quality content. Quality content. Your information have to be good. If you want to do a video, you have to research. Watch other people video on that particular subject. Even if you don't know it all, watch other people's video on that particular subject. Go to articles, read. When I started YouTube, somebody told me that I will need about 4 hours to think of the content that I'm going to make. And I laughed. I said, wow, it's not possible. Is it not just to on camera and then and then start telling them what they need to know? But I came to understand that a valuable content have rare, unique information that other people don't know. Do you get me? A valuable content have good packaging. Good packaging is that if you want YouTube to push out your videos, shoot it in 4K and above. That's the truth. Stop doing HD. Stop doing HD 180p. No, YouTube is not going to place. It won't push that video out. You need good packaging. Good packaging still goes back to thumbnail again. Good packaging, let your background be clear, let there be lighting, let there be, if you don't have artificial light like some of us, make sure you just use your natural light. Use your natural light, right? Have a good background. At least a plain white background is okay. If you don't have a good background, just use CapCut if you are subscribed to CapCut Pro, and then you change your background from there. Very, very important. And if you want me to do a video on how to change your background on CapCut, just let me know in the comment section. But what I'm trying to say is that you need to create good quality content. And lastly, what can you do to blow up your channel, right? You need to understand trends. Trends. I think I should emphasize on this. Trends. Don't create the video in your heart. Create the video that is already trending in your own unique way. It's just like that. Don't create the video in your heart. Create the video that is already trending in your own unique way. Make sure you research on subject before you put it out there. Follow the trend. YouTube is very, very reluctant when it comes to following of trends. Very, very reluctant. YouTube is not saying you must bring up the ideas that are in your heart. What if the ideas in your heart is what you need, but it's not what others need? Are you seeing it? Research. Follow the trend. What topic is coming up on YouTube? I think there is one YouTuber who I know very well, who then said when the issue of this monetization or against faceless channel came in, she just saw it in somebody's page and she noticed that, oh, this particular YouTube policy is going to go viral. And she made a video quickly. And then immediately she made a video, her video went very viral because she was able to just know that this is going to be a trendy subject. So follow the trend. Make sure you are doing a video that people are already looking for. Especially when you are a new YouTuber. When you begin to have 500 subscribers, you can create trend by yourself. But you are not having many, you have to follow the trends. So if you are still watching, you are still subscribed to Tubemetrixx. The reason why I'm saying you are subscribed is because I know that you will subscribe, right? So what am I saying? In our next video, we are going to be sharing with you good tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. Next video is going to be talking about how you can get fast subscribers, right? So for now, bye. See you in the next video. Thanks.